welcome back and happy Vlogmas day 16. Today I don't have nothing planned, but we'll see what I will vlog today, and I guess from there we'll check out what kind of vlog is this going to be today. See you guys in a little bit. So it's supposed to be 28 degrees today and it's going to snow. So I'm wearing a lot of stuff. I'm wearing my boots, 2 socks that are very fat, very warm. My scarf, 2 masks, a long t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, a sweater, my jacket that's gonna keep me warm. I have my beanie and my gloves inside my backpack. And I'm wearing leggings under here. Oh yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I can be warm. Because using all this, I still feel the cold. But right now I'm sweating because I'm inside the lobby right now. But I'm not ready for this 28 degrees weather. And the snow and the rain. Not for me. Alright, so I'll vlog when I head out. So I started to snow. Well, just a little bit. Yeah. Bundy! I got her back. Alright. It's freezing.
It's not that.
It's for me, it's cold. But yeah, right now we're heading to Uptown because we were just downtown. And I think it's starting to snow very soon. What? What, Bundy? What? Bundy? Bundy like being in videos. So now we are on our way to get some Dunkin' Donuts. We need some hot coffee or hot latte right now. And we are in Times Square right now. But yeah. Where are these people? So we just got Dunkin' Donuts. Oh, we didn't get our coffee.
Okay, this is pretty.
But I got a bacon.
For me too.
What is the bacon cheese wrap? What you got?
A sourdough sandwich.
It's hot still?
It's hard.
Oh. So right here now it's snowing. So we're gonna go check out the snow right now. Secret alley. Oh, they are playing some music. Oh my god, these doors. Ooh, it's snowing. Oh my god, look at that. It's snowing, baby. It's snowing. Oh, that's bad. It's snowing. Oh my god, it's going in through my eye. Ugh. Yo. I thought, you know the snow goes straight down? But it's like going into my eye.
Yeah. It's like a blizzard, bro.
Yeah, I know, but it's not that bad. It's just the ice that is hurting. This way. There's water. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Look at all the snow. Imagine I slipped. Yeah. Let's see, now it's not that cold anymore. It's just the snow. But I don't even know we're gonna even go to Central Park today, right? We'll see. But it's snowing, baby. It's snowing outside. Oh my god. I had to look at all the snow. It's not bad. It's just the snow. Ugh. I don't know if you guys can see it from here. Hold on. So we're in the little tunnel right now, getting a little bit warm. I'll show you guys. It's the snow. There is all the snow. Well, not. This is just a little bit. But tomorrow it's gonna be really bad, Lisa. So let's see. Oh yeah. I don't even know if we're gonna do photos today at all. But we're gonna try, right? We're gonna try to take pictures.
The biggest this rain, the snow is not like snow.
I know.
Bro.
So yeah. And now we have no idea what to do, right? It's like, I don't know. I'll keep vlogging if we do something interesting. But like right now, it's gonna be hard to vlog because I don't want my phone to get wet. And my curls went bye-bye. My curls. No, I don't care. But I'll see what I'm gonna do next. Bathroom check. Now it's video. Another. Come. So we just finished taking pictures of the Christmas tree in the snow. Where are you, girl? Well, let's go you and me. Let's go you and me. It's so... I don't see her. Look at the NBC logo. Where is it? Where is it? Right? It's very bad out. No. We just saw stuff outside and it's...
There's only one car.
The storm is so bad. You can fall and hurt yourself. And I'm like...
No, I didn't see that.
But now... We'll see what we're gonna do.
Where?
I don't know if we're gonna go home or we're gonna go somewhere else, but we'll see. So now we are back in downtown. It looks way better here. Look at this. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Now this feels like Wonderland. Does it feel like Wonderland for you now?
I can't look up.
I know, it's hard to look up.
¿Qué pasa con Justin?
Mommy.
¿Y por qué te llama?
So my mom fell today.
No le digas.
Oh my god, my eye. Everybody's out taking pictures and there's no one in the street at all. Wanna walk this way? Walk this way. Oh, it's snowing, baby, it's snowing. This is a good moment to take some good pictures, but it's so bad at night. And the snow is into my eye. And now my hands are frozen. Yeah, well, we're gonna have some fun. Throwing some snowman. No, stuff. I wanna build a snowman, but it's gonna be hard to build a snowman right now. Alright, I'm actually going to stop vlogging right now because I don't want to damage my phone at all. I feel so bad for this guy over there. Look at that.
Look at this struggle. Look.
He's being strong. He's trying his best. Yo, these people right now, like Ubers, what is that, like Uber Eats or like delivery? They should be getting extra money for this. Like, that's hard work. And it's really dark right now. We are back at Uptown again. We're going back and forth. Oh yeah, I'll ask her that, yeah. Oh, the struggle is real right now. Dylan, can you say hi? Hi. Oh, are you okay? Yeah, oh my god. So we just got home. And I'm actually going to end the vlog here. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Say bye. Say bye. Okay, we're staying. Bye.